Hey guys, it's Extreme 3D. I was looking through some of my old videos, and I don't know if I ever uploaded a video on this. I may have recorded a video like this, but I'm not sure if I ever got to uploading it. This is actually a pretty old project that I made, and this was back when fidget spinners and fidget cubes were a thing. But anyways, this was my take on a fidget cube. So, there are many different parts of this. I'm very proud of this project because I got electrical components inside of it, and I designed it, and I think my design's just really cool and efficient, and it integrates all the different things that I like into a fidget cube. So anyways, there's some screws at the top. You can unscrew it to get to the battery for the motor, because there is a motor in here that makes this vibrate. And I put bearings on the top and the bottom, so when you turn this on, it rotates, which is pretty cool. And also it just vibrates, so I don't know, but it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. There's a giant toggle switch here that's satisfying to push. They're Cherry MX Blue switches here, and I love the sound, and it feels so nice pressing down on them, so I included that. They're bearings, so you can hold it and kind of like spin it. Doesn't really work too well, but it's, I don't know, it's okay. And then there are these push buttons here that are really fun to press, and they're very satisfying to press. I was ultimately very proud of making this. I made it in school in my engineering class. It was pretty easy to design. The only issue was getting the walls thick enough so that it wouldn't break when I was putting in the components, and also not being too thick so I couldn't fit the motor, the battery, and the rest of the switches, because this switch right here is actually pretty long and it goes like halfway through the entire box. Ultimately though, this was super fun to make. I really like the color scheme of the orange, and I printed out these keycaps as well. And it was pretty interesting to make, and it's very small, compact. The only exception, I guess, to that being these keycaps. You don't need to have those when you make something like this, though. It's really just up to you, and this was just all preference. But I really enjoyed making this project. Please check out some of my other videos on my channel. Subscribe if you're new. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. If you didn't enjoy the video, leave a dislike. I would love your feedback. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.